second time down Pleasant. I just trailed today. I didn't get out last week, so I wanted to get some exercise. And I'm doing this twice in a row. Sure seemed like some exercise. I've got the super. I've only used this headlight but a couple times, but I've got this super bright headlight, and I got a couple of other ones with me. My backpack's infinitely heavier because I packed for the worst, but I'm getting out there and getting active, and I'm being safe. Can't even some hikers.